Hi Julia Street, it's Miss Natalie, and I'm here today at my house, and I wanted to show you a little experiment. And for this experiment, all you'll need is a bucket, and you can fill it up with water. When you're finished with your water, you want to make sure that you use it maybe to water some plants or something. You don't want to waste it, or maybe you can use it to wash something. So you need some water and just some materials to make some boats. And at my house, I always have paper, of course. We have some aluminum foil, and then this is just a stick. So that's how I made one of my sailboats. And then the other sailboat is made with a rubber band and some corks, and again, paper and a stick. And then I have a straw that I'm going to use my own air to blow into to create wind and see if my boats will move and how fast they'll move. Or maybe they might sink. I hope they don't. So let's try it out. And if it's a windy day, you might be able to see the boats move without blowing them. Today's a little bit windy, so it might move a little bit without. Oh good, this boat did not sink. Alright, I'm going to give it a nice blow. I'm going to breathe in, just like when we do our breathing exercises. Deep breath, and I'm going to blow out the birthday candle. Wow, that's pretty cool. That moved pretty fast. Alright, let's see if the other boat will sink or float. I hope it's going to float. Oh yeah, that one worked too. Alright, I'm going to take another deep breath in. Here we go. Like the aluminum foil one actually maybe moved a little bit faster. I wonder why. And I'm just going to leave them in there for a minute because it looks like the wind's actually blowing them around a little bit. It's kind of fun to watch. You could even try putting something in your boat. If you have like a little Lego person at home, or you could put a little acorn in there, or maybe a little ant. Just make sure he doesn't fall in the water. So this is our wind experiment, and like I said, you can just look around your house and find some things and try to make all kinds of different boats and see if they'll sink or float, and then you can experiment.